Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use our Passquestion software and tell you the solutions to your problems when you use our software. After you download the software from the download link in our email, you will get this file. I will take this H12-722 exam as an example. If you don't install the WinRAR in your computer, you can't run our software successfully. Please open this file and you can get the 3 files. Please keep the 3 files in the same folder. Don't move it to any other files, otherwise it will show the program can't display, and if your taskbar is located at the side of your screen, it will also have this problem. Please make sure your taskbar is always on the bottom of your screen. Then extract the files. Because this exam is a special exam, we need to protect our product, so we provide password protection. When you see this form, please copy and send the serial number to us. Then we will generate the password for you. After you enter the password, you can run your software. You can see exam code and numbers of questions and version. If the number of questions changed, that means we have updated this exam. Then you can ask us for a free update. And this is the passing rate and the time duration. You can change it according to your needs. There are 2 modes in our software. One is examination mode and the other is practice mode. Let's check the examination mode first. In this mode, you can't check your answers right a lot until you submit the exam. You only can see the details in this form. However, in our practice mode, you can see Show Correct Answer button. You can check your answers right or not by clicking this. You can check each question right or not in this practice mode. In the practice mode, it's very easy for you to study our questions. I suggest you go for practice mode first and then go for examination mode. It will be better for you to study our software. When you close the software, you will find the password will be recorded in a text file automatically. So next time when you open the software, you don't need to enter the password again. But if your IP changed or you install the software in other computer, the serial number will change automatically. Then you need to send the new serial number to us. We will give you a new registration code to open your file. You can install your software on maximum 3 PCs. Furthermore, our software can't use on Mac operation system. You can use it on any other Windows systems in your computer. If you have any other questions, you can contact us on our live support or send email to us. Our email is support@passquestion.com. Thank you for watching.